guys, welcome to another episode of Scratch That, and this week we are making a homemade pizza featuring stone fire naan roasted garlic flatbread. Let's get it. Hey guys, so I have my flatbreads onto my pizza stone and I am ready to bake. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have some olive oil that I put inside of my measuring cup, and I'm just going to take my brush and kind of dip it in the olive oil and just spread it nice and evenly over the crust. Okay, so in this bowl I mixed in 1 cup of organic marinara pasta sauce, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 of a teaspoon of that spice, Louisiana classic, and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar just to cut the tanginess. Stir all that together and now it is ready to go on this beautiful flatbread pizza crust. Okay, now it's time for the cheese. I measured out 1/2 cup of Tillamook farm style thick cut mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese that you want, and guys, just go for it. Alright, once I have the toppings on, I come back on with the final sprinkle for that razzle dazzle of the mozzarella cheese, and I just let the ancestors guide me, y'all. Tell me how much I'm supposed to put on here. But it's really up to you. If you don't like a lot of cheese, you don't have to put any more on there, but I loves the cheese. And then I just grab my Italian seasoning and I just sprinkle it right on top of the cheese. Just a little. You don't want to go crazy. All right, and the oven is preheated to 425 degrees. I'm gonna put these in for 15 minutes and I'll be back. You guys, it is so good. This naan bread is so flavorful on its own. It's so delicious. I definitely recommend you try this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching Scratch That. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Peace.